My name is Matthias. Today I will show you how to cook a perfect medium rare steak on a grill in just a few simple steps. Take the steak out of the fridge. Then let it rest for about 30 minutes. Then pot it dry and season it with your favorite seasoning. So this seasoning for my steak. Preheat the grill to high heat. A hot grill is important for a nice crust. Place the steak on the grill and cook it for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. Flip the steak once and cook it to your preferred level, like medium or well done. Add a small piece of butter on the steak and let it melt. It adds a flavor. Now your steak is ready. Slice it and enjoy your meal.